That's true. Is that right? She said, been one way and yeah, I swear.
Good morning, babes. It's Tanisha. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I've been wanting to try Kylie skin for the longest time. The one thing about me is I hate online shopping because I'm so impatient. Like, I would rather just like go to the store and just have it in my hand. But the funny thing about that was I waited a longer time until it got in store. Like, you know, does that make sense? Like, I don't like online shopping because it takes like, I don't know, like 2 weeks to get here. But I waited years until it came into stores. Tanisha, like, fix up, because that makes no sense. Anyways, so I finally got my hands on some Kylie skin. I attended the Kylie launch at Shoppers Beauty Boutique, so now I'm able to get some Kylie cosmetics and Kylie skin at my Shoppers. So the only Kylie cosmetic item I got was her high gloss in the shade Crystal. Because they just launched at Shoppers at this beauty boutique I went to, I'm just showing you the clear gloss. Every girl needs a clear gloss. I just got myself the Fenty clear gloss the other day. Me and clear glosses, they go hand in hand, and I have my own clear gloss as well for my business, so I'm loaded with clear glosses. I'm good. So yeah, just because they just opened their beauty boutique with the Kylie cosmetic stand, there's not that much stuff. It was kind of a small section, so I connected with the clear gloss. That's me, you know me, always with a clear gloss. And then for the Kylie skin, I got the box with all 6 of the Kylie skin products, and then on the side I got myself the detox face mask with the face brush. I also got on the side the makeup melting cleanser. I'm not going to be trying on the Kylie detox face mask just because I used it yesterday. I liked it, and it just screws off like this. The quality is really nice, and then that just pops up, and the brush was really nice, applying all the face mask all over my face. I really liked the brush. Well, I don't mean it like that. I don't need a Kylie skin face mask. That's all I'm saying. That's just going a little overboard with it, but it's just a little treat myself day. So I'm going to be trying first the makeup melting cleanser because I still have yesterday's makeup on my face because yesterday was a wild night. I don't think I should be saying that on here. Okay, take 2, forget I said that. I didn't even use that much makeup yesterday. It's just mostly like my eyebrows and probably a little bit of foundation left on my face. But let's see. Ooh, this smells like zesty lemony, like citrusy. That's nice. I did read that some of the stuff is not scented because, like, you know, vegan, cruelty free, all that, very natural. So a bunch of these products are natural scented, which I personally don't like. I don't really like natural smells. I like, you know, fruity, which is probably bad, like perfumey and all that, so that is okay. But I didn't expect this to smell as strong, but that's good that it does have like a scent because it's natural. So let's give this a go. They say apply this on wet skin, so I'm just going to wet my face a bit and then go to town with this cleanser. I didn't put too much, I just did that. Ooh, let me actually add a little bit more. It's really nice and smooth and oily. Oh, I like that. So now I'm just rinsing. Ooh, I like this a lot. I love the smell, and my face feels like nice and moisturized. I like that a lot. So we're going to start off with the foaming face wash. Okay. You know what I'll say about this? This smells like florally, but I know there's not like floral scent in this. This is super foamy and swoopy, not so airy. A lot of foaming face washes I've tried are super airy, like the bubbles, it's hard to explain, it's like super watery, very airy. But this foam is very like thick product, which I like. I look so creepy right now. Whole duppies on the screen. I'm probably messing up my floors so much. Onto the walnut face scrub. You don't know how excited I am to try this. When I saw Kylie launching Kylie Skin, this was the first thing I wanted to try. I have high hopes for this. I really love this packaging. Really good quality, like the lids and all. Let's try this. Ooh. I definitely smell the walnuts, and it's a very natural scent. It's not like artificial. It smells very clean. Oh, I feel like, yeah. Ooh, I feel like all the dead skins are shedding off. This is a scrub, all right. It is scrubbing. I love scrubs, like body scrubs, but this is the first time me trying a face scrub. So I love this feeling. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. This is really nice. And it smells amazing. For someone that, I hate that I'm talking to you guys with eyes closed, but for someone who doesn't like natural scents and likes the extraness smells, this smells really good. Nice. My favorite thing from the Kylie Skin, the walnut face scrub and the makeup melting cleanser. These two, these are my go-to, and we have 4 more to try, so let's see if I find a new favorite. Next is the Vanilla Milk Toner. I kind of was excited for this as well because I'm a toner girl. I love my toner. My Pixie toner is like my holy grail, but I did not want to spend Pixie toner prices, so I just tried this Nivea toner. It worked, but I'm like, no, I have to go back to my Pixie toner. And yeah, so I love my toners, so let's see if I didn't drop it. Gotta smell this. Oh, kind of gives me like a sunscreen vibe. I'm not saying it smells like sunscreen. I'm saying the scent smells like sunscreen to me. Oh, it's like, it's not that thick, but it's thick, if that makes sense. Like, look at my toner I use. It's like liquid and it's clear. This one is milky and it's like you guys see that? Like, it's not.
I'm editing right now. I find that clip so funny because I was trying to show you the consistency of the milk toner and a little drop came out. I wasn't purposely just trying to make a little drop. It was actually really hard to squeeze the bottle, so that's why the amount that came out. But I was just trying to show you the thickness of it, and it didn't really accomplish what I was trying to show you guys. But yeah, I just found that so funny. I wasn't purposely trying to just do a little drop. It was really actually hard to squeeze, so yeah.
Not like so watery. It kind of has a thickness to it. Guys, I don't apply toner like this, but since it's a little thick, I thought I should just do it like that, so ignore. It's nice, but why don't I feel it's, you know what it is? I'm biased. I'm being biased because I really like Pixie toner a lot. That's all I use. And yeah, nothing couldn't compete. Like Nivea, I'm sorry, she gotta go. Pixie is my girl. Maybe I'll warm up to her. I'll warm up to her, but it's okay. Let's give this a go. Vitamin C serum. I think I'm applying it to my face, right? And then last but not least is the face moisturizer. I need some moisture on my face. And this is cute. I like the pump for this. Okay. I feel like there's other stuff to the collection I didn't pick up, but that is a-okay. I'm gonna go back and get some more stuff. I like this. I feel super glowy. Let me take this off. My face feels super nice. Kylie did not come to play. I really enjoyed trying the Kylie Skin for the first time. I want to grab some more Kylie cosmetic stuff, some more Kylie Skin stuff, so stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on TikTok because you will see a lot of the stuff I buy and try out first on TikTok. So definitely follow me on there and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in a next video. Bye.
That's true. That right. She said, been one way, and yeah, I swear.